Hi all, and welcome back. Just going to boot up the machine here and let it go to the installer for Xubuntu. I'm going to use Xubuntu because I feel as though it's probably the best balance of user interface and making this as easy as possible. Alright, language selection time. Of course, I'm going to pick English, as that is what I speak. I'm going to go ahead and allow it to install updates and the third-party software, as I'm going to need those things as well for the other roles I have in mind for this box. It appears this thing ran Ubuntu in a former life as well. However, I don't really need that installation, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe it out and install this one instead. User account creation time. You probably want to take this a bit seriously, but since this is a demonstration, we're just going to go with making it easy. Normally I don't use the auto login option, but since this machine is going to get hooked up to a TV, I think I might use it this time around. I went ahead and sped up the installation footage here, as it takes about 2-3 minutes of just telling you what packages are being installed and whatnot. I do miss how in previous releases of other distros, they would actually put up all kinds of trivia. Probably end up showing you that in a later video. Normally MATE is my go-to desktop environment. However, XFCE has grown on me lately. GNOME 3 is one I don't really care for at all. Alright, now the installation's complete. Time to reboot and do the initial setup. Oops, I left the flash drive installed. Hang on. And here we are at the XFCE Desktop that is default for Xubuntu. Interesting, it already has an update for what should have already been an updated installation. Whatever. If you're following along, you're going to want to enter the command here displayed on the screen inside of a terminal, as I have done here. Then the next command here, it's all pretty simple. Then 2 more commands, and see a bunch of text whirring by. Don't worry, he didn't agree to anything horrible or grotesque yet. After all that, we're going to be greeted with the menu here. We're going to go ahead and select Basic Install and continue from there. More whirring text. This might be a little bit. Why don't you go make a sandwich or something?
Much later.
Oh, it's done! Finally. Alrighty, here we are back at the desktop. See, I've now created a shortcut here for RetroPie after it's finished its whole little process. Let's go ahead and launch it. By default it has Dreamcast, whatever this love is, Macintosh, MegaDrive, although I'm pretty sure they meant Genesis, Nintendo, MS-DOS, ports, and then to configure it. Let's go to MegaDrive, or Genesis as it should be known as. Oops, wrong button. And let's go ahead and do good old Sonic 2. There. And we are back to the previous screen. Let's go check out a Nintendo title. Here we go, Super Mario. I don't know how the Duck Hunt would work, considering I don't really have a means to emulate the light gun. Oh well, let's give it a shot. See how terrible I am at this. I grew up with a Genesis. What will I do? Oh no, I missed the start. And I got hit. Oh, and I did. Oh, you get the point. It works. I wonder what the difference between that and this ROM is. Let's have a look. Okay, so far it just doesn't have Duck Hunt. Oh wait, 01? What the hell? Oh right. Gosh. I think either this was a bad dump, or it might have been a mod. I don't quite remember. I had this for like 27 years. It's kind of weird to have water where you can drown underwater. Oops, I think I just screwed myself. Out. Let's try this again. And I died the one. Joy. no Toad to take out your anger on. Alrighty, here we are back out. I can add some more to this a little bit later, but it seems kind of interesting. We have a DOS ports here. DOS ports and Scum VM. This might be a good place to put in some great titles from LucasArts. Maybe some Day of the Tentacle, Maniac Mansion, Monkey Island, Full Throttle. You get the idea. Not certain about Infocom. We'll have to get back to you on that one later. Didn't have a ZX Spectrum back in the day, but I'll probably talk to my dad about that. And I'll have to figure out this Dreamcast, and no idea what this love is. There is a Macintosh option. I'll have to figure that one out later too. That seems a little weird, but whatever. And of course I'll have to get this to display the correct region. Till then, have a great day and leave a comment if you have one.